Once you've completed the Nearpod lesson for the day, you're going to go into the student workbook. This is a PDF workbook that's located in your Schoology account, and you're going to click on it. It's called Formatting Business Documents. And then it'll open like this. And what you're going to do is go to the individual assignment page that we're working on for that day. So I'm going to scroll down, and you can click through. We're going to go to Memo, which is Document 1. And again, it's going to reinforce the parts of a memo that we learned in the Nearpod lesson or in the PowerPoint lesson. And then it's going to show you a breakdown of what a memo would look like. And then on the next page, it's going to give you the scenario that you're going to follow. These are the instructions. So we're going to create an old-fashioned ice cream shop that makes its own ice cream. And we're going to create documents for this ice cream shop for the next couple lessons. So it's going to give you over here the document setup, and this goes for all of the lessons, not just the one we're working on right now. It's going to give you the startup. So you're going to open a Word document to create a new document. Then you're going to save it as a file name. I actually have you can ignore this step in the process because the way that Schoology works, it's going to link the document automatically. So you don't have to save it. I will have it linked for you. So ignore that step. You're going to set the orientation to portrait. We learned how to do that in the lesson. Then you're going to set your margins. Top 2 inch, left 1 inch, right 1 inch, bottom 1 inch. Line spacing should be single. It's going to tell you exactly how to complete each assignment, how to set it up. And then your font size. It's going to tell you what type of font, and then the font size for each individual project. Then it's going to give you the instructions for this particular assignment over here, which is our memo. So this is going to tell you what to type, so you're going to follow the instructions. And then at the end of the day, your document will look like this. So it's going to show you exactly what the document should look like. Okay, like I told you earlier, you could put paragraph spacing on so that you can see where the paragraphs are, and it's going to tell you how to create this document up here. Okay, and the same will work for every other document that we work with. It'll give you the type of document, some information about it, what it'll look like in words, how to create it, and then the actual finished picture. Okay, and so then when you're done, I'm going to create a screencast for you of how to submit that to Schoology.